Hello everyone. Today we will discuss RRB Nursing Superintendent 2025 CBT exam MCQs practice set 18. So let's get started. Which of the following muscles is primarily responsible for breathing? Correct answer is C. Diaphragm. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle at the base of the chest cavity, contracts and flattens during inhalation. Next question. The central nervous system CNS consists of the correct answer is C. Brain and spinal cord. The brain is the control center and the spinal cord acts as the main communication pathway between the brain and the body. Next question. Which hormone is primarily responsible for regulating blood glucose levels? Correct answer is C. Insulin. Insulin produced by the pancreas lowers blood glucose by promoting its uptake into cells. Next question. The highest civilian award in India is? Correct answer is C. Bharat Ratan. The Bharat Ratan is awarded for exceptional service towards the nation. Next question. The basic structural and functional unit of heredity is the correct answer is C. Gene. Genes are segments of DNA that contain the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. Next question. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Correct answer is B. Mumbai. Mumbai is the largest city in India and the capital of Maharashtra. Next question. Which part of the eye is responsible for focusing light into the retina? Correct answer is C. Lens. The lens changes shape to refract light and focus it sharply on the retina for clear vision. Next question. The primary function of red blood cells is to? Correct answer is C. Transport oxygen. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to and carries oxygen throughout the body. Next question. The number of live births per 1000 people in a population per year is known as the correct answer is C. Crude birth rate. The crude birth rate is a basic measure of natality in a population. Next question. The number of deaths of infants under 1 year of age per 1000 live births is the correct answer is D. Infant mortality rate. This rate is a key indicator of the health and well-being of a population. Next question. The primary sector of the Indian economy includes? Correct answer is C. Agriculture. The primary sector involves the extraction and production of raw materials. Next question. The total number of existing cases of a disease in a population at a specific time is called? Correct answer is B. Prevalence. Prevalence provides a snapshot of the disease burden in a population. Next question. The number of new cases of a disease occurring in a population over a specific period is called? Correct answer is B. Incidence. Incidence measures the rate at which new cases are developing. Next question. The average number of years a person is expected to life from birth is known as? Correct answer is C. Life expectancy. Life expectancy reflects the overall health status and living conditions of a population. Next question. The term GDP stands for. Correct answer is A. Gross domestic product. GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period. Next question. A population pyramid with a wide base and a narrow top indicates. Correct answer is D. A growing population. A wide base signifies a high proportion of young individuals and high birth rates. Next question. The demographic transition model describes the shift from. Correct answer is A. High birth and death rates to low birth and death rates. This model outlines the stages of population change as societies develop. Next question. The sex ratio is defined as the number of. Correct answer is B. Females per 100 males. Sex ratio provides information about the gender balance in a population. Next question. Which of the following is a key indicator of maternal health? Correct answer is C. Maternal mortality ratio. This ratio measures the number of maternal deaths per 100,000 live births. Next question. Disability adjusted life year DALY is a measure of. Correct answer is C. Overall disease burden. DALYS combine years of life lost due to premature deaths and years lived with disability. Next question. Community health focuses on the health of. Correct answer is C. Groups of people in a defined area. Community health aims to improve the health and well-being of the entire community. Next question. Primary health care PHC is the first level of contact of individuals, the family and the community with the national health system to bring health care. Correct answer is A. As close as possible to where people live and work. PHC emphasizes accessibility, affordability, and community participation. Next question. Health promotion aims to. Correct answer is C. Enable people to increase control over their health. Health promotion empowers individuals and communities to adopt healthy behaviors. Next question. Sanitation refers to public health conditions related to. Correct answer is B. Safe drinking water and adequate disposal of human excreta. Proper sanitation is crucial for preventing the spread of many infectious diseases. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a community-based health program? Correct answer is B. Vaccination campaigns in schools. Such campaigns target a specific community, school children to prevent disease. Next question. Social determinants of health are the. Correct answer is C. Conditions in which people are born, grow, live, work, and age. These factors include socioeconomic status, education, housing, and access to resource. Next question. The Alma Ata Declaration 1978 emphasized the importance of. Correct answer is B. Primary health care. This declaration advocated for PHC as the key to achieving health for all. Next question. Community participation in health programs ensures. Correct answer is C. Sustainability and relevance to community needs. Engaging the community ensures the programs are culturally appropriate and have local support. Next question. Health education aims to. Correct answer is B. Increase knowledge and promote healthy behaviors. Health education empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health. Next question. The concept of equity in health means that. Correct answer is B. Healthcare resources are distributed based on need. Equity recognizes that different people have different needs and allocates resources accordingly.